Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sandeepa Biswas and you're watching my channel Econs on Earth. In this video, I'm going to describe what is the meaning of research. So you can see that it is made up of two words, that is that means repeat something, and search means to find out something. So it is the research. So there are some questions to understand what is it. First of all, you have to know what to do actually, what you need to do while you are pursuing some kind of research, or you want to pursue some kind of research. So you have to find something, some idea, some conclusion. Okay, so you have to find something, and it's not necessary that you have to find, or you have to search something totally unknown to others or unknown to the existing knowledge. You can find something again, you can find or you can add something in the existing branch of knowledge. Just like environment, there is lots of literature on environment, but there are always some scope of study in the environmental issues, or environment is a very vast dimension. Even the specific one, the topics of environmental issues, you can always will get some problems, some issues in which you can contribute. So you have to find again and again the recurring or ongoing or newly generating problems in any field. So, or you can say that you have to probe into something again, you have to find out the problems, you have to search again what you have to search the knowledge in any topic, any problem, any dimension of this study. So now what you need to search, one question in your mind may arise. So you have to search for knowledge. Okay, you have to know the unknown, right? You have to know the truth. What is the truth behind any issue? So this is the research. You find, or you try to find knowledge, you try to find the unknown to current or present time. You have to find the truth, right? There is one simple definition of research. The search for knowledge through objective and systematic method of finding solution to a problem is called research. So one thing is very important here, that a new term is or phrase is coming here, that is systematic method. Okay, so while you are pursuing research or conducting research, the systematic method of this process is very important. The process of research should be in a systematic method. The drawing of conclusion or finding of knowledge or generalizing something should be in a systematic method. I have already discussed that you have to search. Okay, you have to search. What you have to search? You have to search knowledge, but you have to search knowledge in a systematic method. Okay, and then what you have to do? You have to find solution to a problem, and that is what called research, right? So what are the systematic method which we are talking about? Here is the systematic method or the process to follow to reach the unknown. Okay, so according to Clifford Woody, the process that a researcher has to follow are defining problems. You need to define problem. That means what is the issue in which you are really interested in, Okay, so definitely it should be of your interest, because if you are not interested in a problem, then you will not be able to give your best, I think. So you need to define problem of your interest. Then you need to formulate hypothesis, right? Like you make some assumption before conducting the study. You formulate some hypothesis available or based on some already existing literature, right? So you formulate hypothesis. Then you the third step is you collect, organize and evaluate data from the field. Then you make deductions, right? You infer some ideas from these data which you have collected in the from the field. You make deductions. Then you reach some conclusion based on your study, and then you carefully testify those conclusions. That is again based on the your data sets. So this is the systematic process for the for conducting the research. So I hope you understood what is research and why it is important. So the last slide is the significance of research, why it is so important, why the government give so much scholarship on the PhD students or the postdoc students or other different projects. The research inculcates scientific and inductive thinking, and it promotes the development of logical habits of thinking in organizations. So the motive behind this motivation for the researchers from different academic institutions and governments is to inculcate scientific and inductive thinking in the researchers, so that the development of logical habits of thinking may rise among the researchers. The increasingly complex nature of business and government has focused attention on the use of research in solving operational problems. So whatever research is conducted in different institutions have the potential for the business field or for the government to adopt their conclusion if it is really in if it is really of any significance. So it can solve the problem of the society, of the business, of the government. It can efficiently use the resources available in the economy, right? Research is an aid to economic policy. So it's whatever research is conducted, it can help in making of economic policies again, and economic policies are intended to help or increase the welfare of the society, right? So research provides the basis for nearly all government policies in our economic system. So the government is really interested in motivating the researchers, the interested researchers to conduct research, because government wants to have a welfare society, and it needs different policy suggestions, policy ideas that may help the society in the long run. So here is the significance of research. I hope you understood what it is and why it is important in any country, and that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe my channel if you have not yet, and please share my video as much as you can. Thank you so much.